Our little TisaTells, yo, sit down, shut the door. We need to talk. There has been explosive new evidence that Jennifer Howell has revealed about Amber Heard. 1, Elon Musk might be her father, and we have the evidence to show. 2, they were locked in a court battle. 3, Jennifer Howell actually testified that once again, right? Amber painted Elon as controlling and abusive, bugged your cars, and said that Johnny was an angel compared to Elon. The only problem is, and here's the thing, Amber might be a typical victim of abuse where she goes from one abuser to another. The only problem is you tried and fought a lengthy court battle that it looks like you won, and Johnny Depp thinks you won, to force Elon Musk to father a child with you where he wanted no part of you. You guys, something is rotten in the town of Whoville. Amber Heard is the Grinch baby that stole Elon Musk's fertilized embryo. You guys, I'm going to show the declaration. We're going to get into the evidence, and then I want you guys to honestly let me know what you think. Is it a reach? I don't think so. Johnny Depp doesn't think it's a reach. Jennifer Howell doesn't think it's a reach. And the way this battle for the embryos went down, I don't think it's a reach either. Anyway, you guys, sit down, get comfy, and let's get into this evidence. But before we do, hit that like, comment, subscribe button. Hook your girl up. It's YouTube. You know how it works. Deep. Now, as we know, Amber Heard, of course, did date Elon Musk. But even though Amber on trial looked very distraught to actually talk about it, but they actually had a relationship on and off for over a year that ended up in a court battle for frozen embryos. We're going to actually show you who rang the bell on that and if she was successful. You guys, let's get into this. Listen, I also wanted to show you guys this really quick because I don't know. I don't want to start any mess, but there's a few pictures of Amber Heard and Elon Musk together where Elon Musk looks like he has a little bruising around his eye. Now, listen, I don't want to start any mess. I really don't, but it makes me think, here's the picture right here. You guys, before we get into this mess, again, I don't want to start any gossip, but doesn't it look like he has a bruise or something around his face? Here's all I'm saying, right? Rocky Balboa allegedly might not have anything on Amber Heard. I'm not saying Elon Musk is an angel. We know what happened between him and the flight attendants on SpaceX. He is being sued right now. But let's get into this baby thing, right? Amber first revealed she had a baby in her Instagram post, right? She literally said, 4 years ago, I decided I wanted to have a child. I wanted to do it on my own terms. I now appreciate how radical it is for us as women to think about one of the most fundamental parts of our destinies in this way. I hope we arrive at a point in which it's normalized to not want a ring in order to have a crib. Now, at first I said, of course, this is Elon Musk's baby because you are talking like the way Grimes talked when she had his baby. Just like, girl, what are you talking about? Revolutionary. Welcome to 2022, Amber. Lots of women are choosing to actually have babies without having rings. But you guys, that's not the takeaway. There is the baby. I know I tried to see if the baby looked like Elon. The jury's still out, right? Now, Amber went on to say, a part of me wants to uphold my private life that's none of anyone's business. I also get that the nature of my job compels me to take control of this. My daughter was born April 8th, 2021. Remember this date, it gets important. Her name is Oonagh Heard, and she's beginning of the rest of my life. Okay, great. Fine. I looked it up. This name in Scottish, I believe, means lamb, but in Latin, it means unity or one. That's fine. I know Elon Musk and all his baby's moms, her and Grimes, like to have like these little odd names, but it's fun. It's funny how Elon's first children, when he was with his wife that actually knew him before he came Elon Musk, are named regular names. But once he became like Elon Musk, founder of Tesla, now all of a sudden he's naming his kids R2D2. All right, Elon, but let's move on because it's about to get juicy, you guys, right? Now, get this. It's not known who the baby's father is. She did post a photo on Instagram talking about some mom and dad holding the actual baby, right? The baby was delivered by a surrogate in April. Amber's never revealed the name of the baby's father. She's also not specified if she knew the donor personally or if he was presently involved in their daughter's life. So how did these rumors come to be? Well, they came to be from Johnny Depp. He blew the lid. He actually wants a paternity test on Amber's child. However, who's the person corroborating? This is Jennifer Howell. If you haven't been watching the Johnny Depp trial, Jennifer Howell is set to testify, and it looks like this is going to be pretty damning for Amber, because she's saying that Amber's sister is basically lying to protect Amber, and the whole story we heard is literally upside down, lad. And it happened basically opposite of what Amber said it happened. Amber was the aggressor. Amber hurt Johnny's finger. Amber. However, the testimony on Elon Musk is so damning. Let's get into this. This was in a declaration by Jennifer Howell. So this is actual sworn deposition. She made the deposition in Virginia. John C. Depp II against Amber Heard. She declared as following. On the 26th day of July in 2020, under penalty of perjury of the United States of America. So this is legit. Let's get into it. She said, I knew Paige Heard, Amber and Whitney's mother. Amber's mother shared with me while I was visiting Whitney that Elon Musk had gifted a Tesla or multiple Teslas. She wasn't sure if it was one or more, but Amber found out that they were bugged. Yes, Elon Musk bugged Amber's Teslas. Why is that? She said Elon was controlling and abusive, right? And that, again, you keep dating controlling, abusive men. I'm not saying it can't happen, because victims of abuse do date after. But let's look at what Miss Controlled and Abused Amber is doing. She said that she was in a legal battle with them over the rights to embryos that they created together. How are you telling everyone that Elon Musk is controlling and abusive? And maybe he is, B. Maybe he is. But why are you fighting a controlling and abusive man that you claim bugged your Teslas that he gifted you, and you're trying to force him to have a baby with you? Again, this is my issue with Amber. Things don't add up. Okay, fine. Maybe Elon was controlling. Maybe he was abusive. How does that equal you forcing him to have a baby? Why would you want to purposely have a baby within a controlling and abusive person, right? Elon wanted to destroy them, and Amber tried to keep them to have a baby. Amber's mom told her that Johnny was either an angel or a saint compared to Elon Musk, and that she wished that Amber and Johnny would reconcile. Amber's mom wanted them to reconcile, right? And listen, Amber's mom also said that the reason Johnny and Amber broke up, right? This is the reason they actually broke up, was that Amber was the one that was violent and emotional and loved Johnny so much that she could not control it, right? Now get this. Jennifer was taken aback because this conversation occurred after the divorce, and when Hunter was only a few months old. Hunter, I assume is Jennifer's child. Let me double check on that. And that she was at Whitney's house. Whitney also told her that Amber, right? Well, we'll get back to that, but let's move on. Then months later, this is also showing that there was something weird going on between Elon and Amber. There was a $250,000 donation that came into our organization from an anonymous donor on behalf of Amber Heard. The funds did not come from Amber. She believes they came from Elon Musk. She believes they came from Elon Musk. She goes on to say, I told him the stories of my experiences with Whitney, Paige, and Amber Heard, and he asked me to give this declaration. She's talking about Johnny's then lawyer. I shared the names of the Art of Asylum staff who had worked during the same time as Whitney, who also heard these things and more, and willingly gave access to her emails, texts, and confirmed dates and timelines. You guys, we really have to ask ourselves, what is going on? Once again, Amber is going around telling her friends, family, relatives, it's not Johnny this time, but it's Elon that is crazed and abused and all this stuff. And Johnny Depp was a saint compared to Elon Musk. But yet you are literally locked in a battle trying to force this man to have children with you. You guys, something is not adding up. Something, and it pains me because Amber is a woman and we need to believe women first, no doubt. But there is something off in all of this. There's something very off. Again, Jennifer Howell, in her sworn declaration, she's expected to testify, also says that, again, the mom liked Johnny too. The mom wanted Amber to reconcile. Amber was the one that was violent. Amber was the one that did this to Johnny Depp. But more importantly, how crazy is it that you literally are now saying the same thing about Elon Musk that you're saying about Johnny Depp? And maybe it's true, maybe it's not. But the fact that you are trying to force them to have a baby, they got locked into a battle in court. The documents were sealed because Elon Musk has a lot of money. Nobody really knows the identity of Amber's baby's father, but the fact that you had embryos, the fact that they were not destroyed, the fact that it looks like Amber Heard might have gotten her way, and Johnny Depp was not that out of line for asking for a paternity test. You guys, let me know what you think in the comments, and I will talk to you later. Bye.